કાર્યક્રમને આગળ વધારતા આપણા આદરણીય ફાધર દુરાઈ આપણા પ્રોવિન્સિયલને આમંત્રિત કરીશ કે આજના પ્રસંગને અનુરૂપ સંબોધન કરે.
Father Joe Xavier, the director of ISI Bangalore, Father Isaac, the director of St. Xavier Social Service Society, Ahmedabad, Father Jerry, the superior of the community, Father Xavier Amal, the principal, other fathers, collaborators, and my dear friends. First of all, it's my pleasure to be here for the inauguration, for the release of these two books, which are basically an outcome of the project that was carried out. I was very happy to know the title of the project, which is Urban Poor Development Program, UPDP, through community mobilization. Well, I just want to briefly comment on two things. Going through the booklet, two things struck me which I want to share with you. First is the content itself. The content is development through community mobilization. I think everybody talks of development. Vikas. Kono Vikas. Kai drashtiya Vikas. Especially at the time of election, we know it is talked about so much. That reminds me of another word which is so much used. That is love. I love you so much. I can't live without you. Oh, I love you. You don't understand my love? So love is a word we know so much widely used, yet misused and abused. I think similarly also development. I must say, Father Joe Xavier has given very good understanding in his book of development, for which I would like to appreciate him. Normally, we have a narrow understanding of development, sticking to mainly development from the point of view of economics. But as it was presented just now, his books, both the books talk of comprehensive understanding of development, holistic understanding of development, which has been already presented here, so I don't want to talk about it, which includes every aspect of our life. Education, employment, health, human dignity itself, and freedom from exploitation, oppression, so on and so forth. So for me, it's a very comprehensive, holistic understanding that is carried out throughout in these two booklets, for which I would like to appreciate Father Joe Xavier. And the second point also which I observed in his booklet is his methodology, which according to me is very much Ignatian. In fact, towards the end of the chapters, we will see in the 9th, 10th, 11th chapters, he talks about action reflection, networking and collaboration, giving and sharing. These are very much Jesuit spirituality, Ignatian spirituality. But he has made them very much part of our life. He has brought a meaning to these words in our day-to-day dealings, for which I appreciate. Therefore, he has a process which he has proposed in his booklet, which is again Ignatian process. In fact, as many Jesuits are here, so suppose you want to project something, you want to propose some sort of new project to the society, to anybody, they will ask you what is the process that you're going to follow. And normally we're expected to follow the process, which is study, reflection, action, monitoring, and evaluation. This is a process normally we follow as Jesuits, which is very clearly followed in that booklet and also recommended in the booklet. So I feel we have a very clear roadmap in these two books for our country, for the development of the urban poor people. Also, I feel we have very good resourceful materials in the form of these two books, which all of us can use. Social activists, especially as it was mentioned, students who are pursuing their studies in MSW and other courses related to social science. So for all these things, I like to appreciate for the Joe Xavier for this wonderful sort of 2 books that he has brought out. I also want to take this opportunity to thank Father Isaac for giving me an opportunity. Also to thank the Social Service Center for the wonderful work they have been doing in Ahmedabad. Thank you very much.
Thank you.